Hello everyone. For Digital Electronics Laboratory course of second year Computer Engineering, for practical implementation of the assignments which are listed here in the syllabus in Group A, Group B, we will be using digital trainer kits. So before starting with the actual implementation of the assignments, we will see the demonstration of the digital trainer kit. We'll understand how we have to deal with that kit, and then later we'll start implementing the assignments. So here is the demonstration of digital trainer kit.
Hello all students. Here today we are going to see the demonstration of digital trainer kit. So this is our digital trainer kit, which is having the input section, output section, and the middle one part is for the different sockets for mounting the ICs. Okay, so here we are going to use the input section for giving the inputs. So here you can give input 0 and 1. So if you are giving the input like this, LED is glowing means input is 1 and LED is not glowing means input is 0. Okay, similarly we have to check the output. So for that we need connectors. So we are going to use connectors, and before that we have to check the connector whether the connector is working or not. This is a connector which is also called as a patch cord. Okay, so first I am mounting one connector in input section and one connector in output section. And if you are giving input as 1, here LED is glowing, and in the output section also LED is glowing, then see here, then the connector is in the shows end-to-end connection connectivity and it is in good condition. Okay, then we will see the IC. So for sample I am taking the IC 7408, that is a AND IC. Okay, so AND IC is having 4 different gates in one IC. Okay, so here you can see the pin diagram of 7408, which is having 4 different gates. So 1, 2 are the inputs and 3 is the output. Again in the IC you can see a pin diagram. The 7th pin is a ground and 14th pin is connected to VCC. This is a dual cord 7408 IC that is used for the AND gate. So here you can see the IC where it is having a notch at the top of this. See, you can see here the notch or semicircle. Again these IC are having the different pins which is also called as the legs of this IC. So here are this is a 14 pin IC. So 7 pins at the one end and another 7 pins at the another end. So we have to mount the IC such that this semicircle or notch should come at the top of this mounter. So here we have to unlock the IC socket like this and you have to mount the IC. Okay, then lock the IC. After mounting the IC you have to do ground and VCC connection using the patch cords or using the connector. So as we have seen in the pin diagram, 7th pin is connected to ground. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 7th pin is connected to the ground connection. So I will connect this 7th pin to ground. Here GND is written, that is a ground connection. Then 14th pin is connected to VCC. So this is 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this will be our 14th pin which is connected to VCC, that is plus 5 voltage. Okay, then we have to see the inputs and outputs, how to give inputs and outputs. So here I have taken 2 more connectors. So first pin is connected in the input section, second pin is also connected to input section, and the third pin is the output of our IC. Now we are going to check the truth table of AND IC. So here now we will check the truth table of AND IC. So 4 conditions are there in 2 input AND IC. So for 0 0 it is showing 0 output, For 0 1 it is showing again 0 output. For 1 0 0 and for 1 1 it is showing 1. See here LED is glowing, means this IC is in the working condition. Similarly we can check or we can do connection for all other ICs like AND IC or NOT IC, XOR IC, universal gates also for NAND and NOR also. So similarly you can do the connections. Thank you.